A partnership is when two or more individuals carry on a business in their personal names. A partnership must register an ABN to carry on a business. The ABN will list the correct names included on the ABN and can be searched via an ABN search. Very similar to a sole trader, except that there are two individuals instead of one. So taking a look at page 1. The personal names of each partner included as the legal name. You will tick partnership as the customer type. And as you can see, there is an arrow to remind you that with a partnership, you need to ensure you enter in the date of the partnership start. The easiest way to find this date is via an ABN search, which will list the date created. Make sure you write in the ABN. There is no ACN as it's not a company. And that's all that's different for a partnership for page 1. So moving on to the guarantor details on page 2. Like we did with the sole trader, the individuals need to be included as guarantors. Because there are two individuals, both need to be included as guarantors. The order that you include them doesn't matter. So enter the personal details of the first partner, including their home address and then their contact details. So be sure to ask whether the partner owns property, and if so, include the estimated value and the approximate balance of the debt. Remember, if they own property in a different address other than their home, simply write the address in the blank space. Complete Guarantor 2 details with the remaining partner the same way as you did for Guarantor 1. If there are more than 2 partners, you'll need all the other partners included as guarantors also. Simply complete another copy of pages 2 to 5 for the other partners so that everyone is included. As you can see, very straightforward. Because there are 2 individuals in a partnership, all need to be included as guarantors. So let's look at how to have the customers correctly sign for a partnership. As normal, you'll sign the financier's acceptance. Both partners will sign, include their names and the date signed. As there's no company involved, you will tick signed as an individual for both. Don't forget to sign as witness for both signatures. Because both partners were entered as guarantors on page 2, both must now sign here, making sure you witness their signatures again. And that's all for the signing page. The subsequent sections requiring the signatures will be signed in the exact same way. So on to the business use declaration. Quite self-explanatory. Both partners will sign and date. Complete the customer details section the same as section 1 from page 1. Both partners will sign, including their names and the date signed. And same as previous page, both partners will tick as individuals because there is not a company involved. And you'll need to witness their signatures. Now the final page being the direct debit request. So as you can see, customer name from section 1, page 1, then enter the bank account details of the partnership. Both partners will need to sign because it's a jointly owned bank account, making sure the signatures are also dated. So this completes the agreement for a partnership.